Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 32a. Words with qalqala letters. Qalqala means extra sound. Qalqala occurs on these sakina letters, 5 sakina letters. For example, aq, at, ab, aj, ad, and it is somewhat similar to half dhamma sound. For example, instead of saying aqu, you say aq. Instead of saying atu, you say ata. This is a clue. And ab, aj, ad, and so on. Why? This is the way the Prophet ﷺ read them, and possible reason, wallahu alam, is if the Imam doesn't do qalqala, you will not be able to know which of these 5 letters he recited. For example, ahaq, ah. For example, ahaq, ahab, ahab, ahad, ahad. You will be confused. But if you say ahaqa, ahata, ahaba, then things are clear. Qalqala occurs in the Quran almost 3,700 times, or 6 times per page approximately. Let us take qaf sakina. Remember, qalqala occurs only when there is sukoon on these 5 letters. Khalaqna, khalaqna, falaq, falaq. Qalqala is stronger when you stop at that letter, like falaq. Ta sakina. Yut'imu, yut'imu. Muhit, muhit. Stronger when you stop at ta. Ba sakina. Subhana, subhana. Ibrahima, Ibrahima. Qabli, qabli. Waqab, waqab. Ba, when you stop there, ba sakina, then it's stronger. So don't recite subhana, Ibrahima, qabli, waqab. No. Waqab, qabli, and so on. Jim sakina. Tajri, tajri. Marij, marij. Don't recite like tajri, tajri. Marij, marij. Don't swallow the letter. Marij, tajri. Dal sakina. Adni, adni. Qad, qad. Laqad, laqad. Ahad, ahad. So don't say ahad, and so on. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.